This video is going to teach you how to use Google Hangouts. So there are a couple of ways which you can initiate a Hangout. One of them is by going to your email, and then in your chat window out here there is a icon for a video camera. You can click there, and then you will see this window appear, and then it will prompt you to name your Hangout. You can either name your Hangout or you can not name it and just go around. So if you want to have people outside your organization join the Hangout, then you can allow for that. If not, just go ahead and click on cancel. Here in this area, go ahead and type in the email addresses of people who you want to invite in your Hangout. So I'm going to just go ahead and invite my coworker here. And then if you have any other addresses or people you want to join the meeting, you can go ahead and type the names or you can just copy and paste it from another source. And then you're going to click on this window here and then click on invite. So what happens is that I can just hear that my colleague out there has received the invitation, but he's not going to pick up. But once that happens, if he does pick up that invitation, then the call will start, and then his image will appear down below out here in this area. So will the images of other people who are invited to join this meeting. So there is another way in which you can start a Google Hangout, which is through the Google Plus icon here. You can just go ahead there, click, and then you might have to click on More and then choose Google Hangouts from here. You can start a video call in a similar way, and then you can name your Hangout out here. Let me just name it as sample. Let's do that. So I'm going to end the other call that I had already started, and then it's going to allow me now to invite more people into this Hangout, which I can do by clicking and then going through the same process of writing in the addresses of the people I want to invite. If you want to share your computer screen with the people you're hanging out with, you can click on this green button out here, and that will allow you to either share your entire screen or an application window with your Hangout buddies. So you can just click on share and then your screen will be shared. So this was how you could use Google Hangouts to invite people into a meeting. You can, if you have set up a meeting with people using Google Calendar, and I will show you an example here. I will go to my Google Calendar here. So if you are in this kind of a meeting, say, let me choose a meeting that I have here. Say I'm in this meeting which I had last week, and then I had people invited here. These are the people who should attend the meeting, and I could choose to add a video call to that meeting. And if I did that, then the invitees to the meeting would see a link here, which if they clicked on would take them directly to a Google Hangout if you had started a Google Hangout at that time when the meeting was set up. So you can use Google Hangout two ways. You can either go this route wherein email and then you clicked on the Google Hangout icon and entered the Hangout, or you can set up a meeting in your Google Calendar and then have your attendees use Google Hangouts. So this was how you used Google Hangouts to have a meeting.